Hey boaters, it's Jim from Raymarine here to tell you today about fish mapping from SiriusXM. That is the newest feature in our Axiom series multifunction displays. So if you are a coastal angler in the United States of America, you'll find SiriusXM Fish Mapping to be an invaluable resource for all types of fishing intelligence. So what do you need to get started? Well, there is a piece of hardware for it. This is called an SR200. This is a SiriusXM receiver unit. This can receive both satellite radio broadcasts as well as marine weather and fish mapping. Now, the SR200 comes in a kit, so you get your receiver module, you get a SiriusXM Galaxy antenna to mount on board your boat. It also comes with an antenna cable, a network cable, and also an audio cable. So if you want to connect the satellite radio audio up to your boat's audio system, you can do that. So what does the fish mapping information look like? Well, I have it running here on my Axiom XL24. Let me bring it up and give you a closer look. So this is the fish mapping mode on Axiom, and this is part of our LightHouse 4 operating system. So what you'll see is we have added a new mode in the chart plotter up here in the main menu called fish mapping mode. And when you're in fish mapping mode, you have these new menu items for fish mapping layers, fishing recommendations, as well as data limit displays. So let's take a look first at fishing recommendations. So this is a layer that you can turn on or turn off to give you oceanographer recommended hotspots for key saltwater species. So we got billfish, kingfish, mahi, swordfish, tuna, and wahoo, all with these color-coded icons that appear on the chart in the best locations for finding those species of fish. So you can turn those on or off depending on what you're going after on that particular day. Another piece of information you can add to the background are things like the positions of plankton or temperature fronts or underwater temperatures. So there's all these different layers that we can turn on, again, through the main menu in our fish mapping layers. And all of this intelligence gathered together will help you to find the best spots to locate these fish. Now, another thing we can do in SiriusXM Fish Mapping on Raymarine is we can actually display the fish mapping layers on top of a premium fishing chart. So if you're a fan of maybe Navionics Platinum Plus or Seymour or Strike Lines, or maybe you're a fan of CMAP cartography, whatever you like, we can actually bring the fishing data in on top of that premium fishing map. So here I have a Navionics Platinum Plus. I have relief shading turned on, and here you can see I have fishing recommendations for mahi and wahoo that are near to my boat. I also have 30-meter subsurface temperatures, plankton fronts, and sea surface temperature fronts turned on. And as I zoom in or zoom out on the display, you can see everything rescales automatically. Being a premium fishing chart, I have all my bathymetric lines. I have areas where there might be wrecks or reefs or other fish holding structure. So it's a great way to combine the Sirius data and the mapping data together into a very powerful tool. So that is SiriusXM Fish Mapping on Raymarine Axiom LightHouse 4. If you'd like to learn a lot more about this, pop on over to our YouTube channel. That's at youtube.com/Raymarine Inc. And we have a full episode of our Raymarine Live series covering the SiriusXM Fish Mapping product. Thank you for watching. We'll see you out there on the water.